So we have two candles. One is a battery operated candle, the other is a real candle. And not knowing, you know, I never really wanted an open flame around my children or my animals, afraid my cat's tail would catch on fire. But I like the look of them. So what I would like to do is make this so it is good for all seasons. You can switch it out for the seasons, you can switch it out for holidays, whatever you want to do. I'm going to cut this one open. You can just glue a heart on here if you wanted to. That's cute also. But what we're going to do is take some ribbon that I found at the store. Go with the pink ribbon. Measure the distance around your candle. And cut that. And then, and I have some foam hearts. I'm going to take, I can use my pink heart or I could use my red heart. Let's go, I like pink, but let's go with the red. And I found some hook and loop fasteners. So what you want to do is you want to stick them together. And then we're going to cut them because one of these is too big for the heart. So we're going to cut it in half. So figure out what half is. And we're going to adhere one side of it to the back. And then I want to cut this one in half. And I don't know that it much matters whether it is the hook or the loop side. But then I'm going to stick that on there, peel the back off, put one side of the ribbon. Let's straighten that edge up. Now we'll put the other side on. Get that secured. Peel that off. And wrap this ribbon around. And then you're going to place it on the other half of the ribbon. So there you have a decoration for the holiday that you can take apart and put it away and change it out for the next holiday.